Hello, everyone. My name is Enming Zhang. The topic we will talk about is the practice of using NFS over RGW. In fact, we have encountered many problems in practice of using NFS over RGW in our customers' production environment. But time is limited, so today I will only share one of the more valuable issues we have encountered recently. And then I will briefly introduce the applicable standards of NFS over RGW that we have derived from our practice. If someone is interested in the other problems, you can see our related pull requests. So the problem is the deleted data, which is returned through NFS, can't be garbage collected. Let's take a look at a test in our test environment. Before writing files through NFS, by executing the Redux df, we can see the used capacity of the default RGW buckets data pool is 1,156 megabit. And then we write two files whose size are both 1 gigabit through NFS and see the used capacity of the data pool. We can see the used capacity of the data pool has been increased by 2 gigabit. Then we delete the two files and wait until GC processing ends and see the used capacity of the data pool again. We found only 1 gigabit storage capacity is released. Why? By reading the log of RGW, we found the RGW would send the same tag multiple times to the GC chain. As we know, the ID of GC object, which will be used, is calculated by the tag. So we get a conclusion. The OMAP of a GC object may be updated multiple times during GC processing. An example as shown below, the GC object 1's OMAP will be updated twice. Finally, only the information of DOOBG2 will be recorded in the GC object 1's OMAP. This is to see only the DOOBG2 will be deleted by garbage collecting. Why do we get the same tags? Let's take a look at the composition of the tag. The tag is composed of 3 parts, including zone ID, Redux handle ID, and the request ID. As we know, for specified zone, the zone ID is constant. The Redux handle the number of Redux handle ID is determined by the RGW number Redux handles configuration item. That's to see. It's to see if the configuration item is set too small. The probability of getting getting a same Redux handle ID is very high. The key issue is coming. Yes, it's request ID. In current implementation, the request ID is explicitly specified as 0 only at the initialization. In the subsequent processing, the ID field will never be modified. This is to say, it means the request ID will always be 0. If two processes accidentally get the same Redux handle ID, we will get the same tag, which will cause the above problem. How to resolve it? the main solution is each time we write a file, we get a new request ID to generate the object tag, which can guarantee the object tag will not be repeated. This is our current fix method, but it still has some problems. But I found the matter is fixing this problem in a better way. So thank you, Mike. This is the fixed pull request of Mite. Finally, we will talk about the accessible scenarios of NFS over RGW through our practice. We think the NFS over RGW is more suitable for the scenarios with large file, small number of files, low consistency requirements, less rename and list operation. For example, the log archive and the AI dataset. That's it. Thank you.